Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Vauxhall Combo Panel van.
Like all our vans, this vehicle has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months. Plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. This exemplar comes with a long wheelbase configuration and twin sliding doors, and it's fitted with the Sportive trim level. Comes fitted with color-coded front bumpers, heated and electrically adjustable mirrors, and rear parking sensors. The cargo area of the vehicle has been ply-lined and also is fitted with a lighting fixture over the roofline. You also have 6 anchorage points on the floor to secure your cargo. Size-wise, it's 123 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 119 centimeters over the lowest point of the roof, and as befitting of the long wheelbase model, you have a full cargo floor area of 207 centimeters length. The cabin is in a 2-seat configuration with charcoal fabric with slate grey inserts over the center, and the driver's seat is fully adjustable. You have 2 locked compartments for storage over the dashboard and a multifunction steering wheel which is adjustable both in height and depth and houses the settings for the cruise control with speed limiter function, infotainment and voice commands. Over the right hand side of the driver, rear control to adjust the cabin light dimming, height of the main beam, a dial for the automatic headlights, and controls for both the power windows and power mirrors. The vehicle comes with a DAB radio fitted Bluetooth for hands-free calls and also MP3 capability through the USB port. Underneath you can find the controls for the air conditioning with the toggle for the heated mirrors and a toggle for the traction control system over the left hand side. The vehicle comes with a 5-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Combo Panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.